Hello friends, Bethany Colleen here. I sketched something out. Hi Theo. She wants to say hi. Do you want to say hi, Theo? Everybody, this is Chunky Monkey Theo. Mwah. Hi. Are you wanting your food? All right, I'll put her down. Anyways, I came on because I sketched something out the other day, and here it is. I don't know if you can really see it here, so I'll put it on the screen, the sketch. And I was conflicted on if I wanted to wait until Inktober to do this or if I wanted to paint it, and I decided I want to paint it and kind of describe what I'm thinking as I'm doing it. So I'm going to change the screen so you can see what I'm looking at while I describe my thought process for planning colors and any of the other composition things that I am daydreaming about. So let me switch cameras and show you what I'm thinking. So here's the plan so far. I would like the background to be a green, and it will fade. There are some lines here because a light source will be coming out of the top of her head. And then from down here on, it will be, let's see, I'm trying to decide if I want to leave this like white bright, but I might want these crystals to either be purple because it'll contrast most with green, or if I also want them to be white because her hair, or what would be hair here, is actually going to be a waterfall that's going to have like some light blues, and so I don't know. I am still daydreaming. And then do I want this to be like a warm tone, like bright light, or do I want it to be a like blue white light? I don't know yet, but we are going to start by doing a green wash on the top of this. And then from there, I'm just gonna keep going and do whatever my hand does. I started by doing a light wash of gouache over the top. I treated it almost like a watercolor, using much more water than pigment. This way I could slowly build up different variations of greens and yellows, as well as throwing in some little plant-like features and figures throughout it. I did this and then I let it dry for quite a while. I also took off a little bit of the extra water with a paper towel, which left it looking like there was some patches of light. And then once it was fully dry, I moved on to the light source. After I had painted the green, I realized that blue would look really pretty against it. And instead of using like an orange or yellow tone, that the blue light would make it look almost refreshing and very clean like. I also thought that it would fit very well with the waterfall hair that I had also planned for this. And I had the inspiration behind this whole piece from a very random picture. I'll actually let you see it right here. And as you can see, it looks nothing like what I am painting right now. However, that is the picture that inspired this entire piece. So I've been painting all day. I've gotten about this done so far. And I'm starting to get a little bit antsy, so I'm gonna take a little break and come back to this tomorrow. So I'll see you in just a second. I've been migraining all week, so it's been probably, I don't even know, because I've been migraine like 5 days since I worked on this, and even though I still do have a migraine today, I'm not, it's one I think I can probably paint with, fingers crossed. I really want to get this painting done. I did decide I want the crystals to be purple. I think it would be good to add it with the contrast against the blues and the greens, and I think it'll look really good. So I'm going to start doing that so I don't have to keep talking and thinking. I can just zone out and paint. And I hope you guys enjoy watching the rest of this.
Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me indigo, dreaming. You got me indigo, dreaming. You got me indigo, dreaming. It's just this feeling that I'm letting go. Don't feel anger, don't feel rage. If there's an answer, it can't wait till another day. Don't regret making mistakes. There's no need, it's just the game. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road, stop driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me indigo, dreaming. You got me indigo, dreaming. You got me indigo, dreaming. It's just this feeling that I'm letting go. You got me indigo, dreaming.
I want to thank you for watching and listening to my creative process for this painting. And if you are interested in prints for this or any of my other pieces, you can go to my website that is linked below, and I will look forward to seeing you all next video.